Hello and welcome to Euphonious Council. Today in this video, we are going to give you a very important information about ranking system of institutions. What should be the criteria while choosing a college for yourself? How do you decide which college is good for your desired course? Do we have any standard ranking system in India for ranking colleges? Many of us don't know about the ranking system of institutions in India. I'm sure this video will help you in choosing the right college for yourself, so watch till the end. There are many ranking systems in India which give ranking to colleges, but they do not cover all the aspects before ranking. Due to lack of an overall assessment of facts and data, we are unable to get a clarity about the performance of a college. Hence, the Government of India decided to form its own ranking system. So, which committee was formed by the Government of India to give us more transparency about the performance of institutions? And the answer is NIRF. What is NIRF and when was the committee formed? The National Institutional Ranking Framework (NIRF) is a structure adopted by the Ministry of Education to rank institutions of higher education in India. NIRF relies on the data directly submitted by the institutions to the NIRF committee. For the 2020 rankings, around 3,800 institutions participated in the process, which was 20% more than that in 2019. NIRF releases the list annually. Now the question is, how are colleges classified in the NIRF? NIRF ranks the institutions based on 5 parameters, which are: number 1, teaching, learning and resources; number 2, research and professional practice; number 3, graduation outcomes; number 4, outreach and inclusivity; number 5, perception. Teaching, learning and resources mainly focuses on student strength, including doctoral students, faculty-student ratio, faculty qualification and experience, and financial resources and their utilization, research and professional practice. This includes quality and quantity of publications made by the institutions, patents that were published and granted, and the funds earned through the sponsored research programs. Third parameter is graduation outcome. This parameter weighs the number of students graduated in the minimum stipulated time, the number of students placed, salary package of the students, and the number of students admitted into top universities after completing graduation. Number 4, outreach and inclusivity. This includes percentage of students from other states or countries, percentage of female students in the institution, facilities for physically challenged students, economically and socially challenged students. Number 5, perception. It includes consideration of perception from employees, research investors, public, and academic peer about the institution. All the institutions who wish to participate in the ranking framework can voluntarily go and register on the NIRF web portal. If you want to make an educated choice about your career, courses, or colleges, then NIRF is the best option to rely on for college data. The 2020 ranking list were released by MHRD on June 11, 2020. As a career counselor, I would advise you to go and visit the NIRF website today itself and do some research of your desired college. The link for the NIRF web portal is given in the description box. That's all for today's video. I hope this video will help you in selecting your dream college and will give you some clarity if you had any confusion about the performance of a college. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, then please like, share and subscribe.